The blue of the sky is slightly bluer here. The spring of things just seems springier here. Welcome to Portmeirion, the village that started as a dream in a 23-year-old architect's head. Well done, Clough Williams-Ellis. It's been a stone reality for 100 years now, even though it still feels more surreal than real. Portmeirion shows off, but it shows off in a very subtle way.
It does. I find it extraordinary how that, Sir Clough had this wonderful idea as a 23-year-old, waited 20 years to find out a location because he had to work with nature, and then over 50 years, then build this wonderful, unusual pocket of madness it's been described as.
Oh, I like pocket of madness. There should be more pockets of madness in life. So many things here were rescued, squirreled away from destruction. Roofs, columns. This plaster ceiling was a last-minute bid at auction. 13 quid, if you're wondering. 19th century ship's figurehead, 20th century petrol pump. This is probably the best architectural salvage yard in all of Europe. It's all theatre, a stage set that's acted the same part for 100 years. Only the supporting cast, that's us lot, has changed. You've got a wedding this afternoon.
We have.
If you start your married life here in the spring with the sun shining through the windows, is everything else going to be a crashing anticlimax?
No, I don't think so.
You romantics, all you. Down in the engine room, the hotel kitchen, they've been working on a menu to celebrate a century. How would you sum this place up? If someone had never come here before, what is Portmeirion?
It's unique, it's a bit different, and, but in the food sense we just try to keep it quite classical with a bit of a little twist on the flavour.
And talking of classical with a little twist, this place back in the 1950s was used as a cinema. Absolutely typical of Portmeirion to have an 18th century cinema. Do we change when we come in here?
I think we do. Tim Burgess of the Charlatans told me a lovely quote. Well, his quote was, "The world changes when you walk in here." And I thought that was so lovely because, outside of here is a bit mad sometimes, isn't it, But we've got our own little pocket of madness, but it's enclosed in here.
I may move in. I warn you, I may move in.